the skin analyzer we should do, before we go to do the analyze, we should do another very important step, that is the IP address changing. And you can also see the instructions in the user manual. There is very detailed instructions. And if your computer is Windows 7 and we choose the Internet, double click the Internet. Then on here we will find an Internet and a Share Center. Internet and a Share Center. We double click again, and on the left side there is the control board, main page, and manage your wireless internet and change adapter setting. Here we choose this one, the third one, change adapter setting. You will find Bluetooth, local connection, and wireless connection. And we right click local connection, and we choose the attribute, properties, attribute. After we left click the attribute, and we will find Internet Protocols, TCP, IPv4, and we choose this one. Then, after we choose it, then we go to the properties again, attribute. And here, there is an IP address choice for us. The first one is automatically receive the IP address, and the second one is using the follow IP address. And we choose the second one, use the following IP address. And our skin analyzer IP address is 192.168.2.10. And then we click the second one. And click the second one, it will automatically appear 255.255.255.0. And the third, 192.168.2.0.21. And you can also not put this one, not select this one, just only the first two. It's okay. After we put the IP address, then we click Sure and close it. And turn on the machine. Okay, it is local collection. It is now reconnection. Replication. Okay. When this shows that it is connect, it means that the computer recognize the skin analyzer. Then you can go to do the analyze. Also, there is another important part. When we first first turn on the machine, the RGB light will be on. And after the computer recognizes our skin analyzer, then the light will turn off. So only when the light turns off, then we can go to do the analyze, or the system will cannot recognize the skin analyzer. Your computer will not recognize the skin analyzer. So make sure this point, it is very important. Now, it shows that skin analyzer and the computer connect successfully. So, and the light is turned off now. So we can go to do the analyze. We double click this icon, skin analyzer icon, and it will appear a window. This is the main page, and we need to add the operators. The operator this is default, and you should use our default operator and the password 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have this information in the user menu. If you're not clear, you can go to the user menu check. And the third one is the language option. So far we have Chinese, English, Russian, Spanish, and French. In future you have also any require and of specific language, you can also tell us, and we can do it for you. And we choose English. After we add and tap the operator, password, language, then we enter into the system. Okay, this is our main page of the skin analyzer. Before we go to do the analyze, we first need to register and register of the customer's information. We first choose, and you can see here, this is the client info, and this is search client, and this is client record, and include the three main parts. And we first do some register for the customer's information, and we choose click the add, and put the customer's number. The number should be at least 4 numbers. And the first one is 0001, and we change it. Second one is we use 0002, and depends on your preference. And the client name, Judy. And this is automatically generate the date and the sex, male or female, male. And the age, it should be real age. And the contact number. This 5 information is the must. You must fill in. With the star mark. And these 2 using products means that what products the customer once used or now using. And occupation means that what occupation and you have used and the customer once have used or now is now using. You can put in and you cannot. Depends on customer. And after we finish the 5 main part, and we click Save. Don't forget to click Save, or the customer's register will be not successful. And after we finish the first step register, then we go to choose second step. Go to search the client. If there are too many clients in this window, and when a customer When we finish the register, we cannot directly find the customer's information here. Then we go to use the number, the name, or the telephone number to search. Such as here, we use then Judy will appear here. Then we choose it and then we click skin analysis. If the skin analyzer and the computer connect successfully, then when we go to the skin analysis, we will see this window. And when we put our hand or our face here, we can see the pictures. If not connect successfully, then the system will show that cannot connect to the camera. If this situation happens, just connect with us, and we will help you to solve the problem. Okay, then we choose the shoot image. Then we ask your customer to put the face at the detect window. We put our chin here and the forehead here, and close our eyes and not move. When we do the analyze, the light will shoot 2 times. The first time is the RGB light, and the second time is the UV light. So you should make sure that only after the 2 lights shoot, and then the customer move the face. Do not move the face as strong as the first light shoot, or it will not appear the second picture. For example, because we move too quickly and the second UV light not show here, but we move the face, then we cannot have this second picture. So make sure that the light shoot 2 times, flash 2 times, then move the face. Also, we should pay attention that do not move when we do the flash. When we do the pictures, take the pictures. And if a customer only want to detect the left side or the right side of the face, then we can choose and we can do like this. Okay, just like this, and then we will see the side, only one side. Okay, now we finish take the picture, and another important part is analyze area adjust. We use this to adjust the area that we want to analyze. Usually we should avoid the hair part. Avoid the lips and the nose. we can enlarge and we can also smaller it if you want. If you don't want to put analyze the whole face and only one part, and you can also smaller it. So just depends on you. Can enlarge, can smaller. Okay. The second, we finish the analysis area adjust. Then we go to precise analysis or manual analysis to do the analysis, data analysis. The unit will take 1 or 2 minutes, and the speed depends on your computer speed. If your computer runs very fast, then it will take less time. But if your computer runs very slowly, then it will take a longer time. Okay, now we finish the analysis. Okay, we go to next step, explanation.